Ever felt like the market was taunting you, reversing the moment you got in? You're told to follow the trend, yet somehow you're always one step behind. It's almost as if the chart knows. But what if you could spot reversals before they happen? Not guess, not hope. No. Today, we're unveiling a tool that does just that. It's called the Reversal Signals Indicator. It detects support and resistance, different phases of a reversal, and complete reversal setups. And yes, it's free. Let's get into it. What sets this indicator apart from the rest is its unique approach to spotting market reversals. Most reversals don't just happen in a single dramatic move. They build up slowly, leaving behind subtle clues before the actual setup forms. If you can recognize these early signals, you'll gain a powerful edge in timing precise entries and exits. This indicator is designed exactly with that principle in mind. When you first add this indicator to your chart, the most noticeable features are the red and green lines. These aren't just any lines, they're dynamic support and resistance levels. And while this is a reversal indicator, these levels are actually aligned with the overall trend direction, giving you a broader context for price action. You'll also see E and P labels marked directly on the candles. These labels highlight two critical phases in a potential reversal. The P stands for the momentum phase. This marks possible market tops or bottoms, where the initial burst of momentum begins to stall. Following that, the E represents the exhaustion phase, a key signal that the trend is losing strength and may be on the verge of reversing. You might also notice these labels with no letters. These are the same but earlier signals, providing users with more granularity as the reversal develops. Now those two phases, momentum and exhaustion, can lead to either a full reversal or just a retracement within the trend. But to confirm whether a true reversal is taking shape, we need to head into the indicator's settings. Scroll down to the Trade Setup section, and here's where the real power kicks in. You'll want to enable the setup you want displayed on your chart. If you hover over the tooltip, you'll get a detailed breakdown of each setup type, but the ones you really want to focus on are the qualified setups. These are the most complete, actionable signals the indicator offers. Once enabled, you'll notice some new labels appear on your chart. Blue with an L for long trades, and yellow with an S for short trades. Now here's the key. While the momentum and exhaustion phases often act like pullbacks within a trend, the appearance of a qualified setup is your cue to start watching for a full-blown reversal. Now that we've covered all the key components of this indicator, let's look at a real example of how you can actually use it to spot high-probability trade setups. In this example, we're going to simplify the chart to keep our setup clean and focused. First, head into the indicator settings. We're going to turn off both the momentum and exhaustion phases, and also disable the support and resistance levels. The only thing we're leaving on are the qualified setups, since we'll be using them as our primary trigger to enter trades based purely on price action. To give this strategy more context, we'll combine it with a second tool. Now you can use the free LuxAlgo Smart Money Concepts Indicator, which will help you identify market structure. But we'll be using the Price Action Concepts Toolkit for this walkthrough, since it will allow us to conduct multi-timeframe analysis with candle coloring, all without switching charts. We're currently on the 5-minute time frame, and we'll set our market structure time frame to 1 hour. Then, enable candle coloring. This will visually signal the underlying trend direction: green candles for bullish structure and red candles for bearish. From here, it's simple. If the candles are red, we'll only take short trades from the reversal indicator. And since we're using structure as a baseline for the setup, we can use the opposing reversal signal as an exit for the trade. This setup allows you to align your trades with higher time frame market structure while using the reversal indicator for precision entries. As we mentioned earlier, while this is a reversal indicator, it actually breaks down every phase of a potential reversal, giving you the full picture so you can take advantage of every opportunity and not just full trend reversals. So let's say you want to take a trend continuation trade, riding in the direction of the current trend rather than betting against it. Here's how to do it. First, determine the trend direction using the support and resistance levels. In this case, the level is red, signaling a bearish trend. Now, to align your trade with that trend, you'll want to focus on the weakest reversal signal, the momentum phase, marked with the P label. These typically indicate a retracement, not a full reversal, which makes them perfect for continuation setups, even without using multi-time frame analysis. But don't just jump in. Go back into the indicator's settings and enable the momentum phase risk levels. This gives you a clearly defined area for placing your stop loss, allowing you to structure a clean 1 to 3 risk to reward setup, turning a simple signal into a well-defined executable trade. And that's the reversal signals indicator. You can grab it for free right now at luxalgo.com/library. And if you would like to try the Price Action Concepts Toolkit used in this video, you can get it for 30 days, risk-free at luxalgo.com. Thank you for watching. Trade smart, stay sharp, and we'll see you in the next one.